Hello everyone. Now we are discussing the chapter number 2, that is globe, latitude and longitudes. Already in the previous two classes we discussed about latitudes and longitudes and time zones also. About the time zones also we discussed in the previous class. Okay. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about our Indian Standard Time. Okay, Indian Standard Time. See this map. Here Indian Standard Meridian is 82 degrees 30 minutes longitude. You can see this dotted line. This is called as Indian Standard Meridian. Okay, it is passing through the middle of the India. It is passing through the middle of India, from the center of India. That means from here to here the distance, from here to here the distance is same, approximately. Okay, on both the sides the distance is same. That means this line is passing through center of India. And here one place will be present, that is passing through Allahabad. This Indian Standard Meridian passing through Allahabad, which is present in UP, that means Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and based on this longitude we have decided our Indian Standard Time. Okay, actually the time will be decided by longitudes. Okay, depending upon the longitude passing through the different countries, the standard time of the different countries will be measured. Okay, depending upon the longitude passing through the country, their own timings will be decided. Now in our India, based on this standard meridian, we fixed our local Indian time, that is Indian Standard Time. Okay, now see here, through India so many longitudes are passing. One see, all is 68 degrees longitude, here 72 degrees longitude, next 76 degrees longitude, okay, and 80 degrees longitude, 84 degrees longitude, 88, 92, 96, all are passing through India. Okay, all these longitudes are passing through India. Okay, now based on any one of the longitude we have to decide our Indian Standard Time. But why we have taken only 82.5 degrees 30 minutes longitude as the standard meridian? Why we have decided the time based on this standard meridian? Why we have not decided the time based on this meridian? Or why we have not decided the Indian Standard Time based on this meridian? All these are the questions. Why? Because here see this dotted line. Okay, this is called as Indian Standard Meridian. Okay, simply we will call this as Indian Standard Meridian. And based on this Indian Standard Meridian, we fixed our Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time, that is IST. Okay, this is our Indian Standard Meridian. Based on this meridian, we have taken our standard time, that is Indian Standard Time. And already I told you, our Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead to the Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, Indian Standard Time IST is equals to GMT Greenwich Mean Time plus 5.5 hours. Okay, that means in England 12 o'clock PM. That means in India IST what? 12 plus 5.5. That means 5.5 PM. 5:30 PM in India. Okay, that is we discussed already. We discussed in previous class. But today, why we have taken this meridian as standard meridian? That means we can take this meridian also. Okay, now, but this is passing through only these places, and this is very far from this place. Okay, now the west side, the western longitude is very far from the eastern longitudes. That's the time difference will be there. Around 2 hours time difference will be there. 2 hours time difference. Okay, 2 hours time difference will be there. So in order to eliminate this time difference and to form one equal time which is acceptable by both the sides. Okay, now we have taken this meridian as standard meridian. In order to avoid the problems due to local timings, okay, if you follow this, if you follow the time depends upon this longitude, that is one local time. For example, some members wanted to follow the time which is passing through this line. Okay, now that means some members wanted to calculate the time based on this meridian. Then this is their local time. All these local times are different. Okay, now, and these local times will leads to some problems, especially during traveling. Okay, for example, some trains have to cross different states. One train starts from here and it will goes like this. Some train starts here, goes like this. Okay, so there will be so much confusion in the traveling schedules if we follow the local timings. That's why we should not follow the local time. We have to follow one standard time, that is Indian Standard Time, and that standard time is based on this standard meridian. Okay, and this standard time is 5.5 hours ahead. That means forward than Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, so this is the information regarding why we have taken 82.5 degrees longitude as a standard meridian, and why we are following the time depending upon this meridian. Okay.